presenting a pre-owned 2010 Lexus LS 460. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a transmission. This Lexus has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.